Hey everyone, I'm Victoria Lyn and I've partnered up with Covergirl to create this easy breezy Leopard Queen look for Halloween. If you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Use True Blend Matte Made Liquid Foundation to create a long-lasting base. Apply with the foundation brush all over the skin for a soft, matte, comfortable finish. Conceal and highlight with True Blend Undercover Full Coverage Concealer. I'm highlighting under the eyes, chin, nose, and forehead, adding some extra coverage in those areas where I do have some blemishes. Add dimension and glow with True Blend's Serving Sculpt Contour Palette in Bloom Babe. Apply the bronzer first for some warmth around the face. Then add this peachy blush for some color on the cheeks. Picking up the highlighter, add some glow to the high points of the face. This palette has everything you need for that bronzy glow. Jumping right into the eye look, I'm using True Naked eyeshadow palette in shade Dazed. Love all these colors. But first, apply this metallic gold shadow all over the eyelid. Diving into this orange metallic shade, apply that to the outer corners of the eye. Time to glitter it up with Exhibitionist liquid glitter eyeshadows. First, apply the shade Champagne Dreams all over the lid. I love this sparkly gold. Since it dries down quick and smooth, I'm using my fingers to apply. Now I'm applying the shade Guilty Party to the outer corner of the eyes and tapping in. Add a little to the inner corners for some extra glimmer. Smoke it out with Perfect Point Plus eyeliner in Black Onyx. This liner has the perfect precision to get right into the waterline. Here I'm using a flat brush to drag the liner out into a cat eye shape, very feline and leopard-like. I'm using the bronzer from True Blend's Serving Sculpt Contour Palette to blend the liner and smoke it out. Lift those lashes up with Exhibitionist mascara. All you need is one coat. It's super smooth with no flaking. I added some costume lashes for leopard-like eyes, but don't forget to apply Exhibitionist mascara to the lower lashes for extra drama. Time to show off those Leopard Queen spots using Intensify Me liquid eyeliner in Intense Black. I'm creating a pattern of semicircles around the eyes. Leopard spots are not perfect and definitely don't need to be super neat. Just add different sizes, shapes, and spots around the temple area and into the eye look. This liner makes it super easy since it has a micro fine tip. Apply the same gold and orange eyeshadow we used on the eyes into the center of the leopard spots. This will add some depth and dimension to the spots, making them appear more 3D. Apply Exhibitionist liquid glitter eyeshadow in Champagne Dreams over top of the leopard spots. But don't worry, since we used Intensify Me liquid liner, which lasts up to 11 hours, applying glitter over top will not disturb these spots. Just lightly tap on the glitter. Add in your Leopard Queen characteristics with Intensify Me liquid eyeliner. Draw on a cute leopard nose by lightly filling in. Here I'm lining the lips with Perfect Point Plus eyeliner for a leopard-like mouth. This liner is super precise so we can get a perfect lip line. To give the illusion of leopard-like lips, apply Exhibitionist metallic lipstick in shade Don't Tell on the top lip only. Set with True Naked eyeshadow palette in Smoky for a matte finish. On the bottom lip, I'm applying Exhibitionist demi-matte lipstick in shade Trending, the perfect nude infused with shea butter, so it feels really nice on the lips. Ombre the lip by blending this metallic gold shadow from the True Naked eyeshadow palette over top. I love this golden ombre lip. I think a Leopard Queen needs a crown. Here's my Leopard Queen Halloween makeup look using all Covergirl products. I love the way it turned out and I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a like and follow me, Victoria Lyn, and Covergirl for more makeup looks. Thanks so much for watching and have an easy, breezy, beautiful Halloween.